Prevent clogged drains in the basement, so after you get it snaked out, don't continue on the way you were. Start using lint traps, put them on the discharge of the washing machine, save yourself a lot of grief. Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you an efficient way to stop the love from clogging when you're doing the laundry. In the basement, laundry tub, washing machine, usual routine. This drain continuously clogs. There's a floor drain in front of here, and what happens is the kitchen sink in most homes attaches with the laundry, so the grease from the sink, the lint from the laundry mix together to form their own special slime that clogs the drain lines underneath the floor in front of a laundry tub. So the cure is, we can't get rid of the grease in the kitchen sink, but we can get rid of the lint coming out of here. So here's a couple of lint traps that you can purchase. One's cloth ones, these metal ones. I prefer the metal ones. They're not expensive. You can see a 2-pack for about $3. Some metal mesh and a zip tie. Give you 2 zip ties and 2 of these metal filters. And it's just a mesh, and you unroll this thing and you get the discharge hose coming from the washing machine. So you unroll this all the way because you want to use every inch of it as you can, because as it fills with lint, this will become a bigger and bigger sock. Put the zip tie on it, put it over the hose just like that, and then I can tighten the zip tie, and away I go. The next month or so, that's going to catch almost all the lint. Keep it out of my drain. Keep the grease from the kitchen sink from turning this into a mess. Prevent clogged drains in the basement, so start using lint traps. Put them on the discharge of the washing machine. Stop the clog. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.